In this video we're going to be talking about spheres, so it's kind of like a 3D circle. So a sphere is the set of all points in space equidistant, remember is equal distance from a given point called the center. Radius goes from the center to the outside, diameter goes all the way across and through its center. Okay, the intersection of a plane and a sphere is a circle, so if I cut my sphere in half, it would create a circle. If the center of the circle is also the center of the sphere, it is called the greater circle. The circumference of the great circle is the circumference of the sphere. A great circle divides a sphere into two hemispheres, my top hemisphere and my bottom. Okay, surface area for a sphere, we do not have lateral area because we do not have bases. So my surface area, if we look at this baseball broken down, it's kind of like a sphere. It's kind of like we have four circles. So for us to do surface area, it is 4, and then the area of those circles is pi r squared. Okay, so on your chart, here's our first one. My radius is 4, so surface area is 4 pi radius squared. And I get 64 pi yards squared. Okay, radius is 3, so surface area equals 4 pi radius squared. So I get 36 pi centimeters squared. Okay, radius is 6, so surface area equals 4 pi 6 squared, so 144 pi yards squared. Okay, if the Earth's equator is about 24,902 miles long, what is the approximate surface area of the Earth round to the nearest 1,000 square miles? Okay, so if I'm talking about the equator, that's like my circumference because I'm talking about the outside of the Earth. So my circumference equation, remember, is 2 pi r. Well, I have the circumference, so I'm going to plop that in for the c, so 24902 equals 2 pi r, and then we're just going to solve for that radius. So I could divide, right now it's being multiplied here, divide by 2 pi to get rid of it. It's gone on this side, so my radius is going to be 3963.3, and then to find the surface area we can plop it in. So surface area equals 4 pi 3963.3 squared, and then you're actually typing the pi in because we want to round it to the nearest tenth, and I get 197389368.9 miles squared. So that's how big the surface of the Earth is. Okay, our volume equation for it is 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, so this time to get that cubed in your calculator, you have to type your caret button into 3. Okay, so radius is 9. Let's go ahead and do the example from our chart. So it says 4 yards. So r is 4. So v equals 4/3 pi radius cubed. So again, this is on your chart that you're filling out. Make sure you write the equation in, and I'm getting 85.3 pi yards cubed because we're doing volume. Okay, then I'm going to erase this and do the problem that's sitting here. So radius is 9, so v equals 4/3 pi 9 cubed. And I'm getting 972 pi meters cubed. Okay, all the way across is 36, so my radius is 18, so v equals 4/3 pi 18 cubed, so 7776 pi centimeters cubed. Okay, my last one here, in terms of pi, I have the surface area of 100 pi and I want to get to volume. So if I have surface area being 100 pi, let's go ahead and set it equal to my surface area equation, that 4 pi r squared. because then I can get the radius to find volume. So you can always set it equal to the given equation. So I'm going to divide by 4 pi. and get 25. Opposite of squaring is square rooting, so my radius is 5, and now I can plop it into my volume equation. So V equals 4/3 pi 5 cubed. So I get 166.7 pi units cubed.